Ebusuamu akwaba eba to my GH. Message say we no first time I do video to ani di mo a. Subscribe my page ni me adoma so sena me upload bi anso na unsabet maka. Me the trending news, breaking news, spiritual programs and the political shows and me the bro. Amanyabo amensa kan de eye awrahosam yie pa. Say former president of USA Donald Trump ya bonitu abra oye campaign ene.
Andra anajo Ghana time 10:30 p.m. ana me di breaking news ye ebremo na me monitor Donald Trump ene Joe Biden omo campaign platforms no se do musi no a na edu Donald Trump so no a wogina Pennsylvania no se de ma post ewo mehaye no na abrantie bi a ye frɛ no Thomas Matthew Cruz ekobo Donald Trump tu ewo na som ama eboja tatatata and the jumbe fan koye ma edwan wetre sam eseye na update am de bram ne se wo so security for no aburutu bi akunu na enipa ba ko so ewuye sa wo dini no Thomas Matthew Crook wo frɛ hene hwan na soma no den no ko bo Donald Trump tu Donald Trump ono ankasa wonim hu bi wo hye said ebino mekeka se ona kwan nse kra ono akwa sa nim hu be said be ya ewiasa tension na beba no so eno so ye be analyze ne ya hwe said e siti pote ewiasa ma mu nyina mu mpanifo wo bia so ka dwonim ene se no si so asem no mu efaaye enti ene 5p ye be bia wo bia bobodena na yes no nyina no beti asem no mu senia e siti pote. See you.
Now, according to information I'm saying, America a very unsafe place to be. Security forces enya briye pa. Now, President Joe Biden about one thing be reacting. Now, in somebody better one thing, no, and someone emu oyam kakra. The mess society di mo. Subscribe my page with me adoma so. Send me upload bi anso na. Unsa beti maka. Ebusia send na 4 years bia Ghana no. San America so 4 years bia no. Omoye campaign eto aba. Now Donald Trump elusu na konya no for 8 years ni Donald Trump eni abri ya obo no homode we kwan bia so say obetime nya akonya ne biom no asan betena so because when you say ne police awodo a wode bae no wentimi an for fele na mafo so e wa rehim wonu mu say Donald Trump be di ade nko ade a America be fa na ntuma pa efra na we na campaign e koso President Joe Biden eye ne de different place na former President Donald Trump was no the campaign a different place. Now Donald Trump the campaign na one ye ti say etuato ya sana yo noana ya bonitu ebusuya eseweni Donald Trump asonu na num nyina ye moja etumi say security force no rush no enim wana ne kopio emergency ward many wo ka say Donald Trump hospital na President Joe Biden so alcohol no mo akakosra no.
I have tried to get a hold of Donald. He's with his doctors. Apparently he's doing well. I plan on talking to them shortly, I hope, when I get back to the telephone. Look, there's no place in America for this kind of violence. It's sick. It's sick. It's one of the reasons why we have to unite this country. We cannot allow for this to be happening. We cannot be like this. We cannot condone this. And I want to thank the Secret Service and all the agencies, including the state agencies, that have engaged in making sure that the people who, and we have more detail to come relative to other people maybe injured in the audience. I don't have all that detail. We'll make that available to you. I may be able to come back a little later tonight, but we'll put out a statement if I'm not able to if it's not convenient for you all. But the bottom line is, the Trump rally was a rally that he should have been able to be conducted peacefully without any problem. But the idea that there's political violence or violence in America like this is just unheard of. It's just not appropriate. And everybody must condemn it. Everybody. I'll keep you informed, and if I am able to speak to Donald, I'll let you know that as well. But so far, it appears he's doing well, number one. Number two, that there's thoroughly investigating what happened to anyone else in the audience. We have some reports, but not final reports. And every agency in the federal government, I'm going back to my phone to speak with the federal agencies that are being put together again to give me an updated briefing. Has anything happened? They learned any more in the last couple hours. So thank you very much, and I hope I get to speak to them tonight, and I'll get back to you if I do, okay?
Mr. President, do you think it was an assassination attempt?
I don't know enough to, I have an opinion, but I don't have any facts. So I want to make sure we have all the facts before I make any more comments. Thank you.
Na in some way ekoso nyina no amafo kan nsem bi say it could be say Donald Trump enam ne smartness eno no a create saade we se na be ya ewiase nyina bete ne nka ana se na be ya obetime win the sympathy of the people na wanya sympathy vote say ye no kre yede ya so form say the be pin bia so no yede eba be sumo na Abraham no ka say security forces e wa America enia bri pa a omudi asem no ho akoniaba na abrantia oboni tuo no omo saka no ama omabonu etuo ni bidie na emum ne wo hye ene hawa issue no sifate no ene na emu nkyiremu no ankasa enya mabo ti mesra se be koso a subscribe my page we do we bi adoma so se na me upload bia so na onsa betimi aka nakra